I'm so wild. Come savor with me, shrimp Filipino style. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about easy cooking plus adding my fun twist. So for tonight, it's Sunday dinner. I figured let's do some nice juicy shrimp. I love shrimp. Love seafood in general, but shrimp is like top 3 on my list. It's just nice and meaty and tender, and then you can add some nice seasoning to it and it will absorb it really well. So it's Sunday dinner. I figured let's do shrimp Filipino style. Come savor with me, shrimp Filipino style. So this dish is very quick and easy to make. Okay, it only takes less than 10 minutes to make. So we have here our butter, some garlic, green onions to garnish. We have our shrimp. So it's like frozen shrimp. You can have fresh ones as well if you want. And I just got the headless ones. For the sauce, we have the butter, the garlic, and then the black pepper. So we use 7-Up or Sprite in the Philippines, like to put in our shrimp dishes and some of our dishes as well. It just adds that nice layer of flavor to the dish. So we have here 7-Up, oyster sauce, and we have some cornstarch. All right. So first things first, let's mince our garlic. Okay. I have a few cloves here. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel my garlic. Okay. While that's actually, let me heat up our pan first. Okay. We have here. Okay. Whenever in doubt, just put medium high. Okay. All right. So garlic. If you've had a very busy weekend, like I did this weekend, I was doing a lot of errands, doing some stuff around the house, and I had an appointment with my massage therapist. So it's just a very busy weekend. And the last thing you want to do on a Sunday night for dinner is to spend a long time in the kitchen, right? So this would be, if you want something very flavorful, this would definitely hit the spot. Okay. So I got my, should always clear this up. Sometimes I forget. Okay, I just peeled my garlic. Okay, if you've been watching me for a while now, you know we're using our processor. Let's put some butter into the warm pan. Okay. And we're using a lot of butter, okay? You can do salted or unsalted, it's up to you. All right, that's how much, okay? All right, so that's done. So excited for this week. Work is busy, but I have my indoor tennis on Friday and Saturday night. So I'm looking forward to that. And hopefully it continues to warm up, and then spring will be here, and then it'll be like summer tennis soon. So, all right. Okay, so peel the garlic and then let's put them in our food processor. Okay, the shrimp are gonna cook so fast, literally like less than 5 minutes. So you don't wanna overcook shrimp or it's gonna be very rubbery. Okay, so just, you have to keep an eye on it. So it's gonna go by fast. So you wanna make sure you have everything pretty much ready to go. All right, almost done. Okay, then we mince it, and we have some white rice cooking as well. So you can serve it with rice or bread. Oh, shoot. Oops, all good guys. All done. All right. All right, we put in our garlic. All right. Okay, and then we can put in our shrimp now. Okay guys, this looks good. Now we put in our shrimp. I just washed the shrimp, okay? All right, I'm just gonna put it in there. Then we put some oyster sauce, black pepper, okay? 7-Up, it's our fun twist. Okay, while that's doing that, I just put some warm water with cornstarch, and then I'm just gonna mix that together, okay? Guys, I forgot something, lemon. We need lemon, okay? All right, guys, then we just put in our cornstarch with water. All right, it's done. It's done, guys. And then we're just gonna squeeze in our lemon, okay? Look at that, guys. All right, guys, and then we put in our lemon, okay? Look at that. All right, now it's all done. Look at that. Let's grab some. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, now we need just a bit of green onions. So I'm just gonna wash these. All right, just gonna chop a bit of these. Like you wanna cut off the edges. All right. All right, guys, come savor with me, shrimp Filipino style. All right, guys, let's try it out. Wow. Garlic, lemon, butter, it's all working together. It's so tasty, guys. And it was so quick, and you don't need a lot to actually to make this dish. So, it was wild. That is so good. The sauce is so good. And we didn't overcook the shrimp, which is perfect, or else it would have been so rubbery, right? I'm just grabbing some of the sauce on it and green onion. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's gonna be a very flavorful, delicious bite. That is so wild. Wow. You definitely need to use your fingers for this meal. Okay, I'm gonna get going because I wanna like savor this. All right, so thank you guys for joining me today. Hope you guys had fun, and just remember, keep savoring you. All right, see you guys.